Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
National savings just jumped, so let's quickly track the loanable funds market and see which answer matches the new real interest rate and spending. Let's start with loanable funds. Higher national savings means the supply of funds increases, shifting supply right. When supply rises relative to demand, the equilibrium real interest rate falls. Nice and clean. Now connect that lower real interest rate to spending. Interest-sensitive expenditures like investment and some consumption become cheaper to finance, so firms and households are more willing to spend. Put both results together. Real interest rates decrease and interest-sensitive expenditures increase. That combination matches choice E, so that's the winner here. Well done! Scan now. The trap is flipping signs or rushing. The rule is trust what's given and check each step before choosing E.